Maminti will take a crowd and me come in him.
Me patromate agokwa mecha na mecheti phone.
Right.
I think what I want to speak about is lies and double standards. We say the man abrofo no come anim chain. It's about consistency.
Sure.
When you take a stand, what take a stand say make sure say you are on that line and defend it.
Yeah.
Because there's a reason for you taking that stand.
Yeah.
Me gidi say me ye ne say and nebeboa. In this kwan we su na mafa. And my politics and as bibia ntumi nsesa wo adwene ba bia wo gina no. Eno na ma da bia ma ye gina ba bia gina because nipa no ene o ka say ade chena say table no dania.
Na ano na ye foforo.
Na o san ka sem foforo. Nti da bia na say we are only protecting our interests. Nti ni bibia e boy ye ho ban. But at least you know me gidi say this anti LGBTQ building. Obia understand.
Yeah.
Even both minority ni obia wodio, but because of say e come as say we join MPP the MPP before can no no so obia there e kan. Wo adwene utrimu pankasa de ni kwa say ye adwuma. I think that eno e twen e ba chire pan say
I agree.
We must be very consistent.
It's true.
This is my stand. See na me gidi say sa LGBTQ sa emrawe me no mo nya adwen.
E ko benkum ko nifa kra e ho na me gina.
Oh yeah, and say betimi aboan.
And I said the Bible say okwase na nsesa na adwene. And at a point if you feel like oh say dey me hu ni say me gina ha bi mu a, then you
bring out a reason.
The previous you can really apologize for it or retract that and move on with a new stance. That is it. But
absolutely.
I to say ahane de e wo ho. But you are pretending as if you never said what a problem no.
And double standard and a problem.
And say what do mind sika koye bibi na ebisa wa chiri ade na abeka.
Akoko with a quick one on they will now work by Bank of Ghana then.
Yeah.
In as much as I understand, say on the 31st of January 2024, Bank of Ghana for issues that statement. When you say it is the rippling effect of e-levy. The new government come. Me, I'm just coming to Bank of Ghana. A new government come. Say e-levy were year free ho. So we year free say well year free ho there. Then the Bank of Ghana must be ahead of themselves to know say this is a letter we will receive. So I assume it's a Bank of Ghana year juma.
No, this one is different from e-levy.
I understand.
Different from
I understand. I'm saying say
but make us me told us akukwa menene ya adwen akra bi so because e-levy na the enti asa bre no sa proposal na ntimi anya adwuma no and then say na e-levy no 11 no de buy no mrana che say at 22 no section 2 B section 2B or say a transfer between account owned by the same person and it cannot be it now they couldn't have done this because a transfer from one account to the same account the internet are implementing.
It's me a school now muna sa tax we no no and can new government fairness and new ye we ni free hono because in the same Bank of Ghana the letter was dated 31st of January 2024. So like the Bank of Ghana should not pretend as if say they don't know me. That's my problem. They don't know anything about say because when you say letter in about my soya da. So that's about the problem of supervision. Bank of Ghana problem. Oh my children and rasamani a kind by equity saving. So
equity for the.
I said just a be inform who. I come we no be fun is just say o mani abafa so. But was say who say bibisa o na bibisa antu akokwa.
Right. Me that say unfortunately ukopie mu okonfo anoche a areho